Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you through something in Power BI that is very much important, but a lot of time overlooked and bypassed. What am I talking about? I'm talking about the drill through, the drill up and the drill down function. We'll be looking at drill through in a separate video. All right. So the drill down and the drill up function, and then also we are going to throw in a little bit of expand and then to the next level as well. Okay. So what does the drill down and the drill up button actually? So what does the drill down and the drill up button actually do? Okay, so what the drill down simply does is that it helps you to dig deeper into a particular project, right, or a particular visualization that you've already created. So for instance, you've created a visualization, but your manager comes and when your manager wants to dig deeper into that particular visualization, he believes that there's more that that particular visualization could tell, all right, or can tell. And so he asks you, all right, so now we've gotten for this. Can we go down, can we break it down to do how exactly things worked for this month or maybe this day or this particular gender and things like that, all right? And so instead of going about creating a different visualization just to showcase that, what you can do is that you can use a drill down. However, the drill down works when you have a hierarchy, all right, for that particular visualization. If there isn't a hierarchy, if you haven't created a hierarchy, then the drill down or the drill up button isn't going to show. Okay, and so it's important to get a hierarchy. Now what do I mean by hierarchy? Now an example is this. So if you look at this particular item, date of admission, all right, you can see this thing over here. Now if I click on this, this is a date hierarchy. So this is the date hierarchy, all right, which is showing that the hierarchy is from year to quarter to month and then to day. So this is essentially or simply saying that if you use something like this, we can break things down from year to quarter to month and to day without having to create different visualization for all of them. Let me show you what I mean by this, all right? So assuming we want to create or we want to find something with total billing, okay? So total billing. So I have this and then I'm going to say billing amount, all right? I'm going to add my billing amount to it. I've already clicked on this, so kindly give me a minute. Desktop is loading. Excuse me. All right. So yeah, sorry about that. So we have this, all right, and I put this in a visualization. Okay, I put this in this visualization. Now you realize that immediately we do this, we get these buttons up here. All right, we get these buttons up here. These 1, 2, 3, 4 buttons. Now these are the buttons that are most important. All right. So if you look at this, this is a drill up button. This is a drill down button. This is the to the next level button. And this is the expand button. All right. So this is simply telling us that immediately you said it's simply telling us that there's a hierarchy in this particular visualization. All right, there's a hierarchy, and like I showed you, indeed there's a hierarchy in this particular visualization, which is this. All right, so this is a hierarchy. Now I'm going to show you how to create a hierarchy if you don't already have it like this. All right, so don't worry about that. So it shows you that there's a hierarchy, all right, for this particular visualization. And what it's simply saying is that due to the fact that this visualization has a hierarchy, we can break the informations even down based on the hierarchy that is provided. All right, so you can break it down into quarter, into month, and even into days. All right, so how does this work? Okay, and so we have the visualization, we have the sum of billing amount by year, because this is exactly what it's going to show, the sum of billing amount by year. But when you look at it, you can see there's more to it. All right, so a lot of the time you see people deleting this and then creating new visualizations for month and quarter. No, it doesn't have to work that way. What you can simply do is your manager sees something like this and you show him this and he says, all right, so this is the sum of billing amount by the year 2024, and this is by the year 2023 all the way to by the year 2019. All right, so this is fine. But then your manager comes about and your manager is like, all right, Meshach, so this is what you are showing, which is pretty good, but for this particular year 2024, can we break it down even more to see where we went wrong, which month billing was low, all right, or which quarter, or so that we know how to go about it. And now, so when you get some questions like this, all you simply need to do, because you've created a hierarchy for it, you don't need to go back and then start creating new visualization for the month and for the quarter. No, all you simply do is that you use what we call the drill down button. So I'm going to click on my drill down, and once I click on it, you see it's changed. All right, and so it's simply telling me that, all right, now it's active, my drill down is active. So what am I going to do? So I'm going to look for the lowest year, this one my manager wants, and I'm going to click on this. And immediately I click on this, it's showing me how we performed or how the hospital performed on a quarterly basis. All right, it's showing me how the company performed on a quarterly basis, how much billing happened on a quarterly basis. So this is quarter one, it's showing this, and this is quarter two, it's showing this. But assuming you don't need for the quarters, all right, we actually need the months that we underperformed, or the months that we were not able to make, or billing amount was pretty low. All right, and so once you come, you know that it was actually in the second quarter that the billing amount was low, but which months in particular, or which months exactly. All right, so our draw down is still down. We can just click on this, and this is going to show us the months that, yes, because the hierarchy is also there from year to quarter to month. So if you click on it, it's going to show us that, okay, actually we billing amount was at the lowest in May 2024. All right, so it was in May 2024 that billing amount was at its lowest. All right, and so we communicate this to management without having to go and create more visualizations, but we can do this just using the drill through, or just using the drill down. All right, now if you want to go back, what we do is that we use the drill up. So I'm going back. All right, I'm going back up to this, and now I want to dig deeper into this particular year 2020, where we actually made where we actually had more billing amount. All right, so you want to draw down this and see which particular month we actually had more amount. All right, so the draw down is still on, and I'm going to hit on this, and it's going to take me to this quarter, and I can see that based on this, everything seems to be on par, but this is just a little bit more. So quarter three was actually when we probably had more billing amounts come into the hospital. All right, and so what I can do is I'm going to click on quarter three, and it's going to show me which month exactly, and it's showing me that, okay, so it's actually in August 2020 that seems like we made more, or there was more billing amount come into the hospital. All right, and so yes, this is actually how you can use the drill up and the drill down. So if you want to go back up, you can just simply go back up. And like I said, it's important to have a hierarchy for it. If you do not have a hierarchy for it, then it's not going to work. All right, but if you have a hierarchy for it, then that is fine. And so in the case of this, what we can simply do is that we can probably just add this to this particular hierarchy. All right, so that once we add hospital to the hierarchy, now what we can do, so let me take day out, and we have hospital, and we are drilling down. So we are drilling down to which hospitals didn't get much billing amount. All right, so 2024 is showing that we had the lowest. This is showing that we had the lowest. May is showing we had the lowest. When we click it again, it's going to show us again the hospitals. All right, because I just added a hospital to this particular hierarchy. All right, I just added a hospital to it, and so now it's going to show us by hospitals which ones actually we didn't get the most billing amount from. And from this we can see that, okay, so New York Presbyterian Hospital actually provided the lowest billing amount per this particular data set. All right, so this is how the drill down and the drill up works. Once you have your hierarchy set, now you can continue to add as many as you want to. So we have like hospital, we can decide to add again gender to this hierarchy, and then we are going to have the opportunity to dig deeper. So this New York, so you can see, because you added the gender, now we have this as well, and it's showing that, okay, so male patients actually contributed the lowest billing amount, all right, in the entire data set. So yeah, so this is how this also works, the drill down and then the drill up. All right, this are the drill down, but we can also use what we call this. So this is simply going to take us to the next level. All right, the next level from our hierarchy is quarter. A lot of the times, if I can use drill up or drill down, just use them. All right, but this just takes us to the next level. And so yeah, if we click on this and we click on this again, it takes us to the next level. All right, so that's what that also does. All right, nothing really much. And there's the expand. So what the expand does is that it expands it even further. So you can see we have 2019 and then the quarters. All right, so we have the year and then the quarters. But if you click on it again and then we expand it again, it's going to expand it even further to months. All right, going to expand it even further to months, and we can continue to do the same thing, and then it will, and so on and so forth. So yeah, this is simply how the drill down and the drill up works. All right, in many scenarios. So imagine you have a data set and your manager keeps asking you, he needs to drill down on, or he needs to go deeper into this particular visualization that you've created. He wants to know more about this particular visualization. All you have to do is to create a hierarchy for it, and then use the drill down and the drill up to do what, to showcase it. So whatever he wants to know, as long as you have a hierarchy, you can just go to the drill down and then the drill up, and then work your way around it. All right, so this is going to be the end of today's video as well. If you enjoyed it, kindly be sure to like, share, and subscribe. All right, as it helps with the YouTube algorithm. And so yeah, see you in the next one. Safe. Bye.